full of wildlife. How cool is this? Look at these guys. They don't even care that I'm just standing in front of them. Like, just chill. What's up? Out here today by this lake, guys. It's beautiful. Like, I used to pretty much live here on the weekends as a kid. So yeah, gonna do the full loop around. Should be fun. And there is so much wildlife here. It's beautiful. Like, look at that. And they don't even care if you just come up to them. I used to climb all over those. That was fun. I'm gonna come out here quickly. Oh, this guy right here. Look at that man. What's up? Don't mind me. Looks like something out of Kung Fu Panda. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a beautiful walk. Oh, bye. Drowns itself. Oh, there it is. The heck? So many birds. Look at all these guys. This is beautiful. When I came through this area as a kid doing these, this walk around the lake, there's these little like exercise things. And it was always fun to come across them because I'd stop and do them for a little bit, and it felt like a checkpoint along the walk. So yeah, it's checkpoint 1, I suppose. See how many we come across along the way. I think there's a good few up here. I haven't been here in like 8 years, so it's weird being back after all this time. It feels quite nostalgic, you could say. Really is a lovely walk. I can already see checkpoint 2 coming up. It's a real lovely walk, and just the nature, the wildlife, the ecosystem here is just incredible. It's beautiful. Oh, those guys up there. Oh, the big boys. Liam would hate those. Alright, checkpoint 2. Oh, this little bit here. It's pretty cool. It's the back of the coals here. They always look weird to me. You only ever see the front, but never the back. Lovely little bridge here. Get a nice view of the lake from here. It's beauty today. Oh, wasp flying around. Oh, there's another one. Must be a nest around here or something. There's a bunch of wasps. Alright, we've got checkpoint 3 here along the way, along with this incredible view. What's your thoughts on the view? What would you say? Oh, I think there's like bridges up this way, if I remember correctly. It's been like 7 years. Oh, you can see one right over there. What? Look at that big one. That's a cool bridge. That'd be cool to cross.
There's a bird.
There is many birds along this walk.
Wait, where did it go?
Many birds. What would you describe? You did. What would you describe this walk as?
Birds.
Fair enough. There are a lot of birds on this walk. There is so many. It's really cool. There is so much wildlife to see on this walk. It is incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's a beautiful walk. It's just, look at this view. I do remember the walk around being longer, but I think because I was like 9 years old at the time, or whatever, or 8, 7, potentially, all those ages, it felt a lot longer, and now I do walking every afternoon, so I don't view it as a big walk anymore, but it's still a beautiful walk. It's lovely. Random seat in the middle of the sun. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to sit there. Oh, yeah, definitely not. You'd probably cook an egg on that.
No, there were geese over there.
Geese?
Geese.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, one time when I was little, there was one in our yard and it kept chasing us. So we had to lock ourselves in the chicken pen.
Did it eat you?
Because it wouldn't go in the chicken pen.
Did it eat you?
It tried to. It was terrifying.
Alright, we're about halfway around now. You can see just over there is where we started. So yeah, we're officially around the halfway mark for this walk. It really did feel a lot longer when I was little. Maybe there's a path I'm forgetting that's coming up. But it's just beautiful. I love this. It's so nice. I wish I returned back here sooner. Very nice spot. Looks like we've got another walk up here, so you can kind of enter the walk. There's lots of areas you can enter the path from. It's not just the one way I came in. I heard the sound of an ice cream van. Yeah, Graham. Nice. Yeah, I heard a van, ice cream van over there. They come through here pretty frequently. Or at least they did when I came here all those years ago, and it seems like nothing's changed, so that's cool. Going to watch Iron Lung tonight in cinemas. It's the movie made by the YouTuber Markiplier. Hey, got it in the cinemas. That should be good. I enjoyed the game, so interested to see how the movie turns out that he did of it. Should be good. Right, we've got checkpoint 4 here. Very nice. I remember sitting on this one, spinning really quick with the wheels, going absolutely nuts on it. On the walking one, I think this is one of the ones I may have used the most when going along this walk. I just remember going nuts on the spinny thing. I don't know what this is for. Habitat Connections. Some sort of building in there, I'm not too sure what that is. That's one way to do a little patch job. Perhaps it's actually no, that's a door to enter. That's one way to do it. I'm not gonna lie, I would genuinely just grab my swag, set up right here and call it a night. This is a good enough spot. View of the lake, beautiful little forest area. This would be a lovely spot to just spend a night, if you could. Let me know if you guys want to see more little just nature walks like this, and just cool little spots. They're easy videos to make, fun ones to film, and great adventures to have. Yeah, I've got quite a busy year ahead, so videos might not be as frequent, but if you guys want to see just more simple videos like this, I may be able to put out a bit more than I was originally planning to, but I'll let you guys decide whether you want to see stuff like this, or if you just prefer the usual stuff. Let me know in those comments below. At least this chair's semi in the shade, I guess. Another really hot bench that you will not see me sitting at. Oh, wait, I think we're coming up on that bridge now that we saw from all the way over there. We've really travelled all that distance already. That's incredible. What can I say? It does look like a fun bridge to cross, so I'm hyped for it. Yeah, it should be good. It's a beautiful spot. I know I've said that like 1,000 times, but it really is a beautiful, just beautiful spot. Ooh, decisions. We've got checkpoint 5. I think we were up to checkpoint 5. I hope I've counted that correctly. I think we can go here, across the bridge, or we can keep following the path around there. Here's the problem. I want to do both. So I'm thinking, why don't we go across the bridge, then walk back over the bridge, then go back around and continue the walk. I think that's the plan. Oh, this is cool. I love this. Look, that's the coals all the way over there. You know, for something that looks like such a massive walk, it feels so short. Like, what the heck? Also, I've never understood, what's the fascination with putting blocks on stuff like this? I've never understood it. Is there like a reason to it, or no? He's laughing at me, I think. He's giving me the good old cackle. Ah, what a beautiful day it is. My hair's in my face, but it's a good day. What the heck? It's like a strap of sorts on there. I don't know what that's about. I love how diverse it is with the wildlife around this little lake here. It's beautiful. I love seeing all the different species here. It's incredible. gonna head up this way and see if it does connect all the way around, and then we might do a loop back around to the bridge here. And yeah, do that. Should be fun. There's a pretty cool tree there. What the heck? It appears that they don't loop like I thought. I thought it would have gone around and joined back up here, but I guess we are continuing the loop, but that was still checkpoint 5, I think, back there. So we head this way. We've pretty much completed the whole walk then. It's an interesting noise the bird's making. That's cool. Look at these trees. They look so cool. Another hot seat I will never be seen sitting on. Hey, checkpoint 6, the last checkpoint by another pointless seat. But look in there. Just look at all the stuff. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to spook him, but like, look at that. So many just different species just chilling together. Truly is a lovely spot. Well, this has been a lovely adventure, a lovely walk. I do hope you guys have enjoyed it here. If you did, subscribe. As I said, let me know if you want to see just more simple videos, laid back videos like this. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till next time.